Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is C-Dub Studio bringing you a new video. Today something a little bit different than we typically do on this channel. I have an unboxing. Been waiting quite a while for this one to come in. It's a new keyboard that I ordered from Angry Miao. The Cyberboard R3 in cloud white. Just gonna do a quick unboxing video for you guys. I've got some switches and stabilizers to go with this. This is just gonna be the quick unboxing, and then we'll have another video where I actually assemble the whole thing, lube the switches, the stabilizers, and assemble the whole thing. That'll be like a part 2 video. I also have some keycaps, some putting keycaps I'm gonna put on here that are white. To complete the build. But without further ado, let's jump over to my other camera and we can look at the packaging and unboxing. All right. So here is the package. It's quite heavy, to be honest, but really digging the Angry Miao. And then on the other side, turn this around, we have the slash marks. It's pretty awesome. All right, so having said that, let's open this thing. Oh, and just for reference, that down there is the GMMK Pro 60% that I'm going to be switching for this new Angry Miao. Alright, so some more foam packing here. Look at that. Alright. Really wedged in here. All right, so now I got it unboxed. Here's the case it came in. So got some slashes on that side, and then on this side we've got the logo for Cyberboard. Pretty cool. Got a little QR code down there, and then the just a little bit about it. So it's a 75%, 200 screw LEDs, custom lighting control, 81 switch LEDs, Bluetooth 5.0, and wireless charging. So pretty cool. All right, so let's put this down. Right, so there it is. Oh, I've been waiting a long time for this. This is beautiful. So let me. Wow, this thing is heavy. All right, so we got the board here. I'm just going to set that down, and then we've got some stuff underneath the foam here. Got a little Future Art Community for Enthusiasts sticker. That's kind of cool. And then we've got a another little package here that's got some hardware in it. I'll set this down and open it real quick. All right, so other things that are in here are the hardware screws. That you need, replacement screws, I guess, and then just some Allen wrenches to help open it. Some cool little stickers that come along with it. and then the user manual. So pretty cool. So yeah, so that's everything that that came in the carrying case. So we can close that up. Set that aside. All right. And then we have the actual keyboard itself. All right. So here's the board. Like I said, it's in cloud white. This is the R3 edition, 85%. And then on the back, it's got the wireless charging, so that's pretty awesome. So we'll test that out and see how that works. But yeah, this is just overall just like first impressions. I just can't get over how heavy this board is itself. It weighs a lot, so, but very cool. So this is, like I said, this is going to replace my current GMMK Pro 60%. I've enjoyed this board, but I think this will be a lot more practical for day-to-day driving. I forgot how much I really miss the arrow keys on the board, and yeah, just the ability to be able to have like a actual like backspace and delete. This will be nice, and I think it'll go better with my overall aesthetic, which is pretty much white with blue. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll have another part where I actually disassemble this whole board. We'll put the switches in that it came in. We'll put the stabilizers in. And we'll put the keycaps on it, and then we'll fire it up, and we'll do some quick testing, just as a comparison between what I'm currently using for my day-to-day to going to this, and then just some final thoughts about how the build process goes, and overall thoughts of the experience of this board. I mean, just first impressions, the carrying case, the packaging, the look, the overall build quality is really great. So